Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360. Today let's just try out to explore two new things, and these are actually the two quick tips which most probably used, and you can take advantage of using these commands, right? So the first thing is just move and the object. I just want to move this object from here, and you can just play around with this and this direction and up and downward direction. You can just rotate them as well the way you want. You can just rotate them, and sometimes you need this, right? The next thing is just to go, and the thing I just want to discuss today is the draft analysis. This is something like the chamfer, but in that case you need to define an edge, a corner, or multiple edges, but this time you can just play around with the surfaces, right? So I'll just click on the draft and make sure you just select fixed plane, because this time I just want to choose the fixed plane is the bottom one, and in this case I just want to create a pull direction is upward, because and face I just want to choose this face, right? You can just define the angle, and boom, you can just change from here as well, right? As like, and you can just play around with them one side, and okay, see, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. In this way we will and this way we will try out to grab things, right? Because when tutorials extends up to 10 minutes, 5 minutes and 7 minutes, it's really boring, I know them. Thanks for watching. Just subscribe to the channel.